Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I get the quickest, easiest, soft, natural brows every time. It literally takes me like seconds to do my brows. Even if you've never done brows before, this is guaranteed to be probably the easiest way to do your brows. And it's using this product by Clairol, which is their Root Touch-Up product. I've done a more in-depth video on this, which I will link below, that kind of gives you more about the product and different ways of using it. But basically what it is, it's a product, it's a powder that is made to adhere to hair. So it's used originally to cover up any, grays between getting your hair dyed. I don't dye my hair, so I've been using it for my brows, and after playing with it a little bit, I have absolutely fallen in love with it. This is the only way I'll ever do my brows. It doesn't adhere to the skin. It goes directly onto the hair, but it grabs onto it and it stays. It's super long lasting, but because it's not touching the skin, it's only staying on the hairs, it comes out looking super natural. I also have with it these little samples. It comes with two little applicator sponge things, which aren't showing up so well, as long as the 4 shades that this comes with, and a coupon for $3 off. I'm doing this as a little mini, quick little giveaway. If you were interested in trying this out, leave a comment down below. Make sure you're a subscriber and that you have your subscriptions public so that I can see that you're actually a subscriber, and I will send this to you. This coupon expires on December 31st, 2018, so this contest will only be opened up for 1 week, so get in on it. I'm going to quickly show you just how easy this application is. I take the brush, which is actually this big huge brush, and yes, this big giant brush works perfectly to do your brows because again, it just goes onto the hair, not the skin around. So what I do is I take it and I just get some product on it, tap off any excess, and just buff it. Quick, buff, 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 done. I make my brows all messy. I'm kind of going against the grain, so I'm buffing it backwards and then forwards. Then I just take a spoolie brush, comb it through, and it's done. So quick, so easy, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see a little bit better. Just going to open it up, take this, dab it in, tap off excess, and just buff it on. That's it, done. Now I'm just gonna take the spoolie brush and comb it through. And that's it. Look at the difference, but it's still really soft and natural. No tattooed on eyes. If that's your thing, that's great. But I just really like a super soft, subtle, under made up brow. Let me go ahead and do the other side. This side always takes me a little bit longer because I do have the scar that runs through it, but that's it, done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This thing seriously makes doing brows so easy. I absolutely love it. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. You definitely hear back from me. If you're interested in getting this little sample and coupon, make sure you're subscribed. Leave a comment down below that you're interested, and this might be in your mailbox coming out real soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.